It's a pleasure to have you here. Introducing the Flavia Creation 600 Brewer, a versatile single-serve beverage system that delivers exceptional quality in every cup, perfectly crafted in just under a minute. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this brewer at the best price in the market. This amazing machine allows you to enjoy coffee, lattes, tea, hot chocolate, and even cold drinks without needing ice, all from the comfort of your home or office. One of the standout features is the in-cup frothing technology, which lets you create barista-style beverages using the original milk froth Freshpack or your preferred milk alternative, giving every drink a creamy, professional texture. The Flavia IQ smart system guides you through the brewing process step by step, making it incredibly beginner-friendly while alerting you to any issues so you can keep enjoying your drinks without interruptions. The unique pack-to-cup brewing system ensures that flavors never cross-contaminate, so every cup tastes exactly as it should, maintaining the purity of your favorite beverages. The brewer also offers multiple brew sizes, accommodating anything from a small morning espresso to a full mug of hot chocolate, making it flexible for all kinds of routines. For those who love cold beverages, the Flavia Chill module allows you to brew chilled drinks effortlessly, though installation by a technician may be required. While the upfront cost may seem high for some, the versatility, consistent quality, and convenience more than justify the investment for anyone serious about their drinks. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward thanks to the auto-clean function, reducing the effort typically needed for multi-beverage machines. The Flavia Creation 600 also supports a wide variety of Freshpack brands, including Lavazza, Peet's Coffee, and Bright Tea Company, offering endless options to satisfy your taste preferences. Overall, it combines convenience, quality, and innovation in a compact, stylish design that fits well in kitchens, offices, or break rooms. Don't wait to elevate your daily beverage routine. Click the link in the description below and grab your Flavia Creation 600 Brewer today to start enjoying perfectly brewed drinks anytime you want. With this machine, every cup is an experience, and every sip is worth it.